Are you tired of machinery inefficiency? Look no further. Introducing our revolutionary lineup of V-belt, banded V-belt, and toothed belt, designed to optimize power transmission and enhance overall performance. With their superior grip, durability, and precision engineering, these belts are tailor-made to provide seamless operation and maximize productivity. Whether you're in manufacturing, agriculture, or automotive, our high-quality belts reduce downtime and maintenance costs.